Hi everyone. Today, whilst we're sitting here taking a bit of a break for winter, and it's actually a beautiful day outside, we decided to do a few little things on Rusty, replace a few little things that are just really,
Lots.
yeah, they just brittled and bad. So we managed to get some nice ones, which was,
1 in a million.
yeah, you just don't get these things. So let me show you what we're going to be doing.
So there's the old light. As you can see, this whole side here has just been brittled off. And these are the ones that we managed to, sorry guys for the video, but those are on the right hand side is the one that we managed to get. We just washed them and cleaned them. And of course, the lights are actually a bit better as well. Not that we don't use the lights because they're from ambulance, but we do like the color on the van.
And now I'm going to take the silicone off.
And now we're going to be taking the silicone off there, just to make them nice. And yeah, maybe replace the screws because they are a little bit rusty on some of these ones, as you can see there. Anyway, let me show you guys on the van. Oh, okay, so the one light came off here, which we'll be replacing. We'll just clean it up nicely there. All that silicone, probably re-silicone them because it seals it nicely. And then of course, I'm busy now with this one over here. So these are the things we're dealing with now. So we'll try and take this one off, and I've got a feeling we already silicoed this thing down. Alright, over there, over there. There's a few now that we've cleaned up. I still need to clean this one up a bit. Rust is not too bad. And of course over here, where we had a bit of a, it looks like it was open on the side here, so we're replacing this one. Otherwise it's looking good. Right, we've added them in, not quite 100% done yet. Still got to add the other screws in. Over there, and then of course over on this side. Looking so much better, so much better. We'll be adding the other screws in now, and then we're done. And all the lights are good. Right everyone, that's the video of the light repairs that we've done. We've also patched up here and there. Today we've spent a bit of time getting a few things done and sorted and dusted, but all looks really good. Have an awesome time further. Bye.